Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about enabling the Windows Mobility Center on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So Windows Mobility Center is a special app that comes bundled with Windows 10 or Windows 11. It is present by default on mobile devices like laptops and tablets. It allows changing brightness, volume, power plans, screen orientations, display projections, sync center settings, and presentation settings of your device. On how to enable this Windows Mobility Center, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And here, search for apps. So you need to type Registry Editor. And then you need to right click and tap Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and then tap Yes. So before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything will go wrong, you could easily restart it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select the file locations here. So tap on it and then select export. So once open up the export registry file, and the next step, you need to select in which locations you want to save the new folder to create in here. So in creations of file name, so write also with a date, right? So create file name with a date, and then after that, then tap this save. And if you needed to import it back, so same procedures, all you have to do is to select the file locations here, and then select import. So once open up this import registry file, and then you need to find in which locations you save the new folder. So once it's located, and then click and open up. Alright. So we need now to proceed. So and the next step we will do is to select the HK current user. So select and double click. And here HK current user, you need to select the software folder. So select and double click. So here in software folder, and then you need to find the Microsoft. Scroll down and locate Microsoft. So here you need to select and double click. And then here in Microsoft folder, and then you need to find the MobilePC. So scroll down and then find the MobilePC. If you didn't find the MobilePC, you need to create a new subkey. In order to create a new subkey, so select and right click, and then select new, and then click only this key. Alright, so it's very simple, and then you need to rename with MobilePC. Okay, so once you locate the MobilePC, so same, select and double click. In here in MobilePC folder, and then you need to tap one time this Mobility Center. If here in MobilePC you didn't find the Mobility Center, then you need to create another new subkey folder. In order to create a new subkey folder, so select and right click, and then select new and tap this key. And then if you create the new folder, and then rename with Mobility Center, right? So we need to proceed now. So here in Mobility Center, so tap one time, and here on right pane, so we need to create a new folder. So in order to create a new folder, so here in a blank space area, so you need to right click and select new, and then select key, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. And you can see now the new value, and we need to rename this. Okay, so this new folder, you need to rename with RunOnDesktop, and then press enter. So once it enter already, and then next step, select and double click. In here, edit the word 32-bit value, then you need to double check the value name, RunOnDesktop, that is one word. And then here in value data, this 0 change into 1. And then in here B, select hexadecimal, and then click OK. So after here in registry editor, and then close this one. And here at start menu, then you need to tap this restart. Alright, click only. So this is how to enable Windows Mobility Center in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.